Hello students, have a nice day to all of you. Our today's topic is an ICSE board question from 2019 question paper based on critical angle and total internal reflection. Let us go through the question. It is a diagram based question. Question is, the diagram below shows a light source P embedded in a rectangular glass block ABCD of critical angle 42 degree. Complete the path of ray PQ till emerges out of the block. Write necessary angles. This is the light ray from the light source P and one angle is given. That is the angle between the light ray and the surface of separation. Remember, it is not the angle of incidence. Let us start completing the diagram. And this angle is given. So, we have to find out the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence means the angle between incident ray and the normal. And normal is already making an angle between the surface of separation, that is 90 degree, and this angle is given. So, angle of incidence is 90 minus 42, that is 48 degree. That means this light ray is incidenting at an angle 48 degree, that is greater than 42 degree. That means that is greater than critical angle of glass block. So, which phenomenon will occur here? Total internal reflection. The light ray will total internally reflected back to the same medium with the same angle 48 degree. Total internal reflection. And this angle is 48 degree means this angle is 42 degree because 90 degree minus 48, 42 degree. And here we are getting a right triangle. Here it is 90 degree because it is a rectangular glass block, and by applying angle sum property, this angle we will get 48 degree. The sum of the angle is 180 degree here. And this is also not the angle of incidence for this surface DC that we have to find out. Angle of incidence means angle between the normal and the incident ray. Here the incident ray is this ray. So, here the angle is 90 minus 48, that is 42 degree. And according to the question, 42 degree is the critical angle. That means here the light ray is incidenting, making an angle 42 degree, that is a critical angle. If the light ray is incidenting at a critical angle means the refracted ray we will get coinciding with the surface of separation. Here the surface of separation is CD, surface of separation coinciding here, and it emerges out like this, making an angle 90 degree with the normal. And this is the diagram. Now the diagram is complete. First it is total internal reflection, then critical angle. So the light ray is emerging out coinciding with the surface of separation, making an angle 90 degree. Hope it is clear. Stay connected. I will be uploading more ICSE board questions. Thank you.